Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Copilot AI in Windows 10. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Microsoft Edge, open up the browser and then search for MS Copilot, search for Microsoft Copilot. And then once you search for it and open up the first result here, which is the official Microsoft website for Copilot. So open it up. So that's the official website for Microsoft Copilot. So once you're on the official website here, now if you want to install this as an app onto your system, all you have to do is simply click on these three dots here on your above right, click on the three dots, go to apps, and then you'll see an option called install this site as an app. Simply click on it. So when you click on it, this will now install this Copilot as an app on your system. So simply click on the install option, and once you click the install option, then it will do the installation for you. And once that's done, and that's it, your app will be now installed on your system. So you can actually now create a shortcut here to launch it quickly when you open up your system. So create a shortcut and that's it. And once that's done, so now you can simply launch your app on your system. So let me open up the app. So this is the one that I just installed, Microsoft Copilot. I will just open it up and it's already been installed and it's all good to use. So that's it. So it's launched now. You can sign in using your Microsoft credential if you want to sign in. So hit on the sign in and you can do that, or else you can just use it as it is, as the app has already been installed now on your system. And that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful.